Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel, and today's video we are heading into Costco just to have a bit of a look around. I also want to film some parts in there like the meat section and the books, and those videos will be up by now so you can go and check those out for all the prices. And I wanted to have a look around and get some baseline prices for some other things so I know in a future shop what I'm sort of looking at, and yeah, just see if I can find any bargains today. First bargain I had, I've got a trolley that I didn't need to put a coin in. It was right by my car, thank you very much. And then heading inside, the first thing I see is this speaker, Boom 3. I use this for Zumba, so I'm very tempted because I do need another one as a backup. Costco have some amazing gift cards and prices. Look at these. Such good value, such good variety, just looking like any other normal gift card that you'd get anywhere else. So you can check out what's here. Movie cards, beauty, etc, etc. Here's a great idea too. You can buy a gift card for a non-member and it allows them to enter Costco, and also they can shop without needing a membership. So that is a great idea to give someone. They can also shop online. They pay a little bit extra, but it's an opportunity for them to still get some products. Xbox Game Pass and Google Play gift cards, a little bit of discount there as well, and of course limit of per transaction. All right, had a quick look at the clothing here. I don't really know much about labels, but everything looked good. Calvin Klein, and it was very busy in this area, so I had to be a bit careful with where I was filming because people were just everywhere grabbing stuff. This jacket looked really comfy and would be great for winter. Puma is always a good brand. Heading around to, there's like some bedding sections, and we've got this throw blanket. I did see this on Zesty Girl's channel. Yeah, I agree, it is so soft. And then we've got a king size blanket that's here, and again, yes, the patterns on this are just so awesome, and again, so soft. Some more clothing, they have these pants and jumpers that are around. I don't wear anything with a big label on them, but for the price I thought they were really good, seeing as a pair of track pants is normally about $20, so being a brand name would definitely be worth it to some people. And Levi's hoodies, these looked awesome. I'd probably actually wear this one, it looked pretty good. But yeah, I have enough clothing for now, so yes, trying to stick to the no buy, not buy any new clothing. All right, Under Armour men hoodie. This is a very popular brand. Everyone knows that logo. And then we checked out the books, and you can check out the longer video that I have with all of the books that are here and the prices, because there were some amazing specials to be found. This is the first time that I've seen plants in Costco. Granted, I haven't been here in a couple of months, but again, I've been seeing these on other people's channels, and I was like, I don't recall seeing any plants. But now that I'm here and I see them, they look pretty good. Thought I was in Bunnings for a minute. All right, checking out the fresh produce. We have these bananas for $3.49 for 1.4 kilo bag. It's not too bad actually. And sweet potatoes, 3 kilo bag. They look really good as well. Have a look at the butternut pumpkin. It's $3.99. I can get it at my local Foodland for 95 cents. So I've just left this for now. And then we've got the potato bags, 5 kilos for $5.99. It's a pretty good price actually compared with what's around at the moment. And white potatoes, 5 kilos, instant rebate of $1. They bring them down to $3.99. So awesome price. I've just bought potatoes, so I didn't get them. Into one of the fridges that's here, and they have the fresh produce, and this seemed pretty well packed. It's got some baby spinach here. We don't eat it, but I know that other people do. And we've got some capsicums, 6-pack. We've got the green, the yellow, and the red. I know that a few people have said they haven't had yellow at their store. The 3-kilo carrots are now $3.29. They used to be $3, so inflation's hitting everywhere. And a kilo of Brussels sprouts is $7.99. We don't eat them, so I don't know how that price is. Let me know down below. Celery hearts, 2 packs for $7.49. I thought this was a pretty good deal because individually they're about $4 each at Coles, so that is pretty good. And cauliflower broccoli, 750 grams, $6.99, so you could see the kilo price that's there. So it is cheaper to buy these frozen at Coles, but if you can get them fresh, the same here, it's $10.65 for an actual kilo, but they're just showing you the price of the $7.50 bag. If you're getting them fresh for about $3.50 a kilo, then it's worth it. But otherwise, at the moment, the prices are just crazy. So you need to shop around. Okay, mushrooms. I always have a look at what the prices are because I'm always curious. But again, the price per kilo, they are just a little bit more expensive than Coles. Got some blackberries here, 250 grams. It's $14. The pack looked really awesome. But again, we don't eat them, so I don't really know how that fits in with everything that's out there. Sweet corn, 1 kilo packs for $5.99. And that looked really good actually, because I've seen that they're $6 just for a set of 3 in Coles. And these muffin packs are always popular. Pick any 2 packs for $9.99. And we love the choc chip ones, and we love the apple crumble muffins. Dinner rolls, 36-pack or 1.3 kilos of bread for $7.99. We just wouldn't eat that many, and we get a lot of our bread rolls and stuff as a markdown. I was curious to know the weight of these muffins. I went back and had a look, so they're just under a kilo for muffins. Yep, that's coming home with me. And then we'll get the apple crumble. I was tempted to get the pound cake one, but I like apple crumble, so I'm going to stick with what I like. All right, having a look at the bakeries, got some fresh chocolate lamingtons, 16-pack for $11.99. These do work out about $3 more expensive than the Coles ones for the weight, so I'll stick with what we have. And then they had this deal on for mini custard filled donuts. They look so good, so I had to walk away quick. And the same with this mini Danish for $10.99 instead of $14.99. We'd only eat the apple ones that are in there, so it's not really worth it for us, but if you were having a party, it would be good. Mud cake, 2.3 kilos. Look at that. And then the mince, this is such good value, $9.99. When we need some, I will be coming back here. And of course the chickens, I didn't grab one today because I've literally just stocked up elsewhere, but I did have a look around at all the meat that we have in here, and I filmed a separate video so you guys can go and check that out. I'm always looking at ham and the price per kilo and what it is, because we eat a lot of ham in our sandwiches, and then what we don't eat we chop up and freeze for the top of our pizzas. So always have a look at what the price per kilo is. Usually the smaller the pack, the more expensive that it is. And then going around the corner, and they have this cheese that's here, natural Swiss cheese. We don't eat anything except a boring cheddar cheese, so I do have a look around at other cheese products that they have and just have a look at the prices, just because I'm always interested to know sort of what is out there and what other people are buying. Had a look in a few people's trolleys to sort of see what they've got. Jarlsberg, this is a super popular cheese. They sell them individually at Coles, and this looked like such a good deal. 3 packs of Mersey Valley cheese for $14.99. Best ever price down to Coles is about $5, so well worth it. Laughing Cow, this looked really good. $12.89 for the big pack. I think works out to be a little bit cheaper than Coles. And then they had this salted butter, 500 grams. Now this is organic, so you're paying for the price. And then yum, sushi. sushi trays that are here so you can grab and go. And then they also have chicken salad that's here. So if you're catering and you need to take something, you can just grab one of these. And prawn cocktails. Oh, so fresh. So yum. So tempted. More platters that they have here. Little burger buns, I think they are. They're so cute. And sandwich platters and a whole mixture of stuff that's there as well. That would be so good just to be able to grab and take somewhere, all done for you. Buffalo chicken wings with cheese dressing. So I gather these are all cooked, grabbed, ready to go. And the shredded chicken, look at that. They sell the shredded chicken from their hot chickens. I didn't think they'd ever have any chickens left over to shred. They sell so fast. We got a penne pasta chicken Alfredo bake that's here. So a quick dump in the oven, and then same with the mac and the cheese. Oh, so much cheese. So much cheese. If you've bought them, quesadillas, let me know. Let me know if you like them. These looked really good. Chicken Street Taco Kit, $16.98. But it's just not the kind of food that we would sort of all eat as a family, so not really worth it for us. This soup looked really good, but again, probably just my daughter and my husband would eat it. A bit scary, spicy for me. And some chicken enchiladas. I hear people talk about these all the time. Pizzas, these are super popular. 1.1 kilo of pizzas, and there's the 3 varieties that are there. I hear that they are really, really popular as well. People are saying that they chop them up to put them in the oven because it bakes a little bit better. And this caught my eye, Korean barbecue meat. I was so tempted. I'll put that on my wish list for another visit. And it's Japanese chicken again. So tempted. Lamb koftas. We had these from Woolworths not long ago. They were really yum. All right, there's another fridge that we have here heading into the dairy section, and I'm hoping to find some iced coffee. And I think I'm out of luck. We have chocolate milk instead, so we'll grab one of those because $3.69. That is an awesome price. That's about a markdown price for me. And full cream milk, $3.59 for 3 litres. That's on par with Coles. Well done. And here's all the eggs. 1 pack per membership. Far out, Brussels sprouts. 30 packs of eggs for $8.49, and then a whole other range. So I had a look in the freezer section just quickly because I was heading to have a look at a few things so you can see what the prices are here. I know that Zesty Girl did a full freezer tour, so you can go and head and check out her channel for all the products that she has. But I was just checking out some of the items that we would buy, and again looking at the price per kilo. For us, they are a little bit north of what we're willing to pay. Dagwood dogs, I've recorded this mostly for myself so I know what the prices are because I have seen these in Woolworths. And Philadelphia cream cheese. These work out $2.49 each, which is on par with sort of what Woolworths do for their best ever sale before inflation. So I'd be tempted to know what the best ever price is they're going to come down. This sliced cheese is amazing. We've bought it before, but I would need to double check the price because I think that Coles is still cheaper. And then this coffee, it's cheaper at Coles if you wait for a special. And then look at this. We have a 650 gram of original Nescafe coffee for $15.89. That is cheaper than Coles' ever best special price. So these tins are only 500 grams at Coles, and yeah, best ever price is $16 from $22. So totally worth stocking up next time I come here. Now, we've got the last thing here is some veggie chip straws. I've left them for now, but I could add them to my wish list for next time. And here is my most ever smallest haul from Costco. So some chocolate milk and 2 packets of muffins. I know, not very exciting, but I was more so in here price hunting so I can start getting a bit of an idea for next time. Thank you so much for joining with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you saw anything that caught your eye. Subscribe, and as always, we would love to have you here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.